Welcome back, guys. अब हम करेंगे transfer of thermal energy question 21 to question 25. Let's start. Question 21. There is a tight metal lid on a glass jar. एक glass jar है, उसके ऊपर एक tight metal grip है, uh, lid है. The lid is loosened by pouring hot water over it. Which physics property explains this? अच्छा, एक tight jar है, right? It's इट्स इनिशियली वेरी टाइट, बट इसके ऊपर पानी डाला जाता है, गर्म पानी डाला जाता है. गर्म पानी क्या करेगा? इट विल प्रोवाइड द lid with energy, and the energy will make the particles of the lid vigorously vibrate, and when they vibrate they will expand the volume. That is what thermal expansion is, right? And when they expand the volume, the lid will come off easier, because lid relatively badi ho gayi hai relative to the jar, right? So this process is called thermal expansion. Question 22. A metal box has four different surfaces: dull black, dull shiny black, dull silver, shiny silver. The box is filled with boiling water so that each surface is at the same temperature. They are kept at the same temperature. The only difference is dull black. The only difference is color and the texture. A sensor measures the amount of radiation from each surface. अच्छा, which surface emits the least radiation and which surface पहले तो most देख लेते हैं. The most will be emitted by dull black, because dull black का texture is like, जो shiny होता है that reflects. जो shiny surfaces होते हैं they reflect, while on the other hand dull surfaces जो होती हैं they do not reflect. और जो black is a good emitter. Black is a very good emitter, because like it absorbs all of the energy and it emits all of the energy. So, and shiny silver, because first of all it is shiny, and second of all it is silver. It is comparatively less darker than black, because the more the color is darker, the more it will emit, right? So let's move on. It's not exactly what I said, but it is in correlation to what the beliefs are and what we are taught, right? It is not exactly what I said. There might be exceptions. So moving on to mitigate any misunderstandings. Moving on. Question 23. Scientists believe that some lakes are shrinking because of evaporation. Evaporation, what increases the rate of evaporation? Evaporation के तीन main reasons होते हैं increase होने के. The increase in surface area, the wind, and the temperature. The temperature has to be high, the wind has to be moderate to high, and the surface area needs to be high to maximize the evaporation. So देख लेते हैं इधर. Increase a decrease in surface area, this is completely wrong. A fall in water temperature, again. An increase in depth of the lake, what will increase it? Wind blowing across the surface. It lines up with what I said. Question 23. D is the right answer. Question 24. In which substance is the conduction of thermal energy mainly due to the movement of electrons? Movement of electrons only happen in metals or metallic substances, right? Which will be iron. Ice में नहीं होगा, air में नहीं होगा, water में नहीं होगा. They will go through convection and, yeah, convection. Question 25. Four similar metal plates are the same distance from a heater that emits infrared radiation. The plates are painted dull black, dull white, shiny black, and shiny white. Which plate absorbs the most radiation and which plate reflect the most radiation, right? अच्छा, रिफ्लेक्ट सबसे ज्यादा कौन करेगा? और रिफ्लेक्ट सबसे ज्यादा करता है एक वाइट कलर, वाइट कलर, सॉरी, रिफ्लेक्ट सबसे ज्यादा वाइट करता है. एंड व्हेन इट इज शाइनी, अगर आप देखें ना, एक शाइनी कोई प्लेट हो, कोई शाइनी ऑब्जेक्ट हो, इट लाइक उसके ऊपर कोई चीज वो हो, मतलब कोई लाइट हो या कुछ हो, लाइक सन रेज हो, इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स, राइट? सो शाइनी चीज पे रिफ्लेक्शन इंक्रीज होगी, और एब्जॉर्प्शन किस पे सबसे ज्यादा होगी? इट विल बी ऑन डल ब्लैक. दिस इज द ओनली टू ऑप्शंस, because black is a great absorber. Black absorbs all of the colors, right? सारी रेज को ब्लैक absorbs, and आपने नोटिस किया होगा black things emit more heat if left in the sun because they absorb more heat. So B is the right answer. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.